Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with an update on the two Dewalt 4.5 gallon air compressor troubleshooting. As you can see, this is the one that had no top panel, but I went ahead and made a little panel myself to mount the manifold to, and I also added a pressure gauge, an output pressure gauge for the voltage for the regulator, the air regulator, and it turned out okay. I showed it to my friend who this one belongs to, and he was ecstatic. He's like, he couldn't believe that I actually got it going. Yeah, so this one turned out, everything was okay. The belt was good. Like I said, it was just missing the top panel. I went ahead and rinsed out the tank, let it dry for a while before hooking everything back up again. And you can see I already have it plugged in. This one, the cord was good, and everything else was working fine. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and so you can hear it working right here. Then you can see the pressure buildup. On the left side is the main gauge. The right side is the output gauge. You can see it's already going up. As you can see, with the main gauge, it cuts off at 200 psi, which is max. But I have it regulated to 100 psi output. After I fixed this one here, I went ahead and made sure I did a leak test with soapy water on the main connections. Like, let's see, you can see it right there. Where I'm pointing at, right there. Just got to make sure it didn't leak there, and right here, make sure it didn't leak there. And there's another connector here that's same as that one, but that one's good, and you can't hear nothing. And also this gauge right here, there was no leaks, and everything else is good. So now this is the other one that had the bad plug that you can see was all burnt up, and it was missing the ground prong. So I went ahead and took it apart, and I was hoping that there's nothing wrong with the motor itself. The belt's good. The piston is good. I turned it. Everything was turning good. Matter of fact, let me see. You can see how everything turns. There's the big pulley right there. So everything's good in this one too, and I was so thankful for that. So I went ahead and replaced it replace the plug with this one right here, which is a male plug, and it's one of those like makeup plugs, and it's rated for the same amperage rating as the motor, so it should work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you can see that it actually works. Now, the only thing wrong with this is the output air tube. Somehow, I don't know, the last person broke it. And that's what's going to go down here, come around this way, and then come back up and attach right there. What I'm going to do is take some copper tubing and go ahead and bend it the same way and same shape with the same fittings, and I'll have a good compressor. The panels over here on the side. So once everything's good, I'll put it all back together. And there you are. There's the update on the two Dewalt air compressors that I fixed for my friends. I'm actually going to keep this one here, and he's going to get this one back. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for continued notifications. Alright, take care everybody.